Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about the tangent plane. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to do first derivative of f with respect to x. So this one we have cosine of x plus y, and we need to do first derivative of x plus y. This one we have number 1. This one we don't have y, so you got number 0. And we can put like this. Now we need to do first derivative of z with respect to y. And we still have cosine of x plus y. Now we can apply the formula of the tangent plane. That should be like this. So we put number 1, negative number 1 gone here. So we have cosine 1 minus 1. That is about number 1 for this one in here. S0, that's about the value of the point. We have number 1. This one we do the same. We have number 1. This one we have negative number 1. So we need to simplify. And we have like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.